Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be trying to mount my Insta360 to my DJI Avata using this mount. So this is the top extended mount bracket for the DJI Avata. So this is all that comes in the box. There and that. L screw and some screws. So basically this will be going on top of that. Like that. We'll place this on top of that and we'll start flying. Okay, so my Insta360 camera is mounted onto the drone and we're ready to take off. Okay. So it's a bit windy. Let's just hope that we don't crash. So just a quick disclaimer, this video isn't sponsored by Insta360 or DJI. If you haven't liked this video, do leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe and help me grow. Oh, make sure I'm not gonna hit the power line. So as you can see, the drone is really shaky and the stabilization on the Insta360 is amazing. At this point you can see the drone moving from side to side caused by the wind, but the image stabilization on the Insta360 managed to keep it stabilized.